Welcome to the Cognito Mode. The topic for today is rotation of the earth and how are we going to look into ancient Indian literature and mythology. So all of us know this concept that the earth is rotating around its own axis, because of which we have days and night. The entire cycle, one cycle, is of 24 hours, and when the earth is rotating around its own axis, the sun is constant. When we are facing the sun, it's a day for us, and when we go to the other side, it's night. So it's approximately 12 hours day and 12 hours night. The sun remains a constant. The earth is just rotating around its own axis. This is a very basic concept in science which we have learned in school. So when was this concept introduced in the modern world, modern history? So this concept was introduced around 15th century by Copernicus. I am taking the liberty to say modern history, 15th century's modern history, because in history 700-800 years of time is a very short span of time in history. So Copernicus is the one who introduced this concept in modern times. And the Greeks and Egyptians, it is said that even they were aware about this concept, and they have written this concept in their works. From the Indian context, the great Indian scientist and mathematician Aryabhatta, it is said that even he has covered this concept in his books. So this is the modern or last 1000-2000 years of history in relation to this rotation of earth. Giving due respect to all these scientists, we are directly going into the ancient Indian literature. So was this topic covered in ancient Indian literature? The answer is yes. Who has covered this topic? This topic was covered by sage Agastya. Now who is sage Agastya? We have already seen who sage Agastya was in the earlier video. Sage Agastya is one of the most revered and sagacious sages of India. So sage Agastya is covering this topic in Ramayana, in Aditya Hridayam. Aditya Hridayam is Canto 105 or chapter Sarga 105 of Yuddha Kanda of Valmiki Ramayana. In this, what is the story behind this is when Ravana and Rama, they are having this war. When Rama is fighting Ravana, at one point of time Rama is a bit tired. So sage Agastya enters the battlefield at that point of time and he motivates Rama. So what he tells Rama? He tells Rama to pray to the sun god. Sun is the giver of energy, he is the main source of energy to all. So sage Agastya tells Rama that you pray to the sun god so you will be re-energized and you can fight Ravana. So when he is giving this advice or motivation, he is giving the attributes of sun god. So that is what is called as Aditya Hridayam or chapter 105, Sarga 105 of Yuddha Kanda. So when he is giving the attributes of sun to Rama in Aditya Hridayam, this particular phrase, Esha supteshu jagriti bhuteshu parinishthitaha Esha evagnihotra cha palam che evagnihotra. So this is the phrase which we are looking for in today's concept. The first part of it, Esha supteshu jagriti, that is the most important and relevant for this topic. What does that mean? Esha supteshu jagriti means one who is awake when others are not. So when sage Agastya is giving the attributes of sun, he is saying that sun is Esha supteshu jagriti. Sun god is Esha supteshu jagriti. That means he is awake when others are not. So the sun is awake, we are not. So we are not facing the sun. It's rotation time and we are the other part. So we are not facing him. When we are facing the sun, it's day for us. When the earth rotates around its own axis and we go to the other side, it's night for us. But the sun remains constant. Esha supteshu jagriti. He is not sleeping. We are sleeping because it's night for us. He is awake. So this concept of rotation of earth, that the earth is rotating around its own axis, the sun remains constant, this beautiful concept has been succinctly conveyed by sage Agastya in just one phrase, Esha supteshu jagriti. So as all of us know that wise men don't talk much, we can actually see that in this context. Sage Agastya, in just one phrase, he has covered a very important topic of astronomy and science in this one phrase. So that is how sagacious our Indian sages were. So this is the topic which we wanted to cover in today's discussion. We'll also draw a parallel to this particular phrase. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, the ICAI, which is the governing body for chartered accountants in India, the ICAI also have their motto as Esha supteshu jagriti. But that is not taken from Aditya Hridayam, which is of Yuddha Kanda. This Esha supteshu jagriti, which is ICAI's motto, that is taken from Katha Upanishad, and that is having a different context. So just we wanted to discuss this topic. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you like the video, request to kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you.